Ford guy here. We're going to pull the rear end out of this today because we're going to get it rebuilt with 370 gear POSI. So he's turning it around. Another beautiful day out, guys. I hope we all enjoying your weekend and driving your old cars, especially your old Fords, but any cars, Shelby, whatever. I hope you guys are all enjoying it. Got that big 429 in it, about 600 horse, I want to say, close to it, give or take a few horse. But that rear end does that car no justice. It's just a regular 9-inch, you know, it's built for cruising down the road when they were first made. Go ahead, straight. There you go. Start turning. Other way. Other way. Yep. All the way. There you go. Get you out of here in one piece, I guess.
Did you get 2?
Hey guys, my camera's a little off.
Nice. Throw it up in here.
That car got giddy up. You hear that friggin' fucking thing? Alright guys, he's just backing it in, so I'm into here and probably pick up when we're pulling the rear end out. That's how this sounds good. Well, we're starting to take the rear end out on 68. We're going to put 370 gears in, and what you got to do is down here.
That cylinder's good.
Still trying to figure out this camera. Back here, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 4. You got to take them out, and this will slide out. My son-in-law is doing the other side, and so let me get going on that. And when I get ready to take it out, I'll back. All right, so I got the lugs out of here, or not the lugs, but the nuts off the back of there. Right there, there's 4 of them. So now, how we're gonna get the bearing off? Well, let me fix my camera. It wants to be hinky. There we go. Sorry about that. This is how we're going to get it off. We're going to tap on that, and then hopefully it'll get the bearing off. I'll hold that, so it's just on that. I'll try it, and we'll find out if it works. Should I switch sides? Go to the other side? No. Just jam on this side?
Yeah, just keep doing it. She will move. Keep doing it. I feel it moving. It feels like it's moving. Yep.
Is it moving?
It does feel like it.
Huh. All right, let's see if we can
It's
get
a
it.
fight.
It's coming. Yeah, it's coming out.
Yep. All right, hang on. Now, you gotta look and make sure it's not crooked. Because if it is, you can just get. Yeah, it's coming out. You're good. All right, do a little bit more, and then we'll just tap it on top.
All right. Hold on a minute.
A little bit more. Okay.
Now we tap.
Right here. Tap right on there. Nope. Push. Tap it back in. You'll feel it give. Yep. That's good. It should come out now. Might have to do it again. All right.
Jeez.
This one's a fighter. All right. Yep. Do it again. All right.
Ah! Say that, guys. You don't do that. I'll just put one in.
Can't tell. Yeah, you're getting it. Think again. Do it. I'm following. Oh, I'll walk you.
It looks like it. Unless you got a shirt says VR Central and then below, like, yeah, that's beautiful.
I can't. There we go.
Yeah, that plate's right on the back. More?
Yep. She's tough. Yeah, she's going. I think it went in too far last time. Yeah, you can do that too if you want to. It's a little bit harder, but.
I'm pretty sure. Like, I had my finger right here.
Yeah, she's still a little crooked.
See?
Yeah.
Tap it in.
Right here, just give it a little love tap. All right. You'll kind of feel where it just drops for a second. Then you can give it a gentle. All right. Boy, this one's just fighting. It should come right out.
I
Mike.
want to pause that.
Okay.
Okay, we got it, guys. Sorry, I had to pause the camera because I had to do a lot of swearing. You guys know how that is. I had to say a lot of F words and shit and H words and. But we got it. That's how she looks out. Here she comes. There she goes. She's out.
Boy.
So now, getting there, we're going to put a dry shaft in front of the plate and see where it goes from there. Guys, we're starting on the. It's hard to see with that light, but we're taking the bolts out of the dry shaft now. Because this is what we're after right here. We want that out, the bolts. It's not that bad a job, do like we showed you. And you got 4 bolts with, I call them hangers. Hold the dry shaft on, they're right here. Little hoops right here. They'll slide the hoops out, slide the dry shaft back. So, just taking his side out. The video may be a little jiggly, but I can't help that. I'm underneath the car. And as you guys have noticed, I'm called Big Ford Guy, not Small Ford Guy. So. Okay. Hey, it's out. These are the little moons I was talking about. They hold your dry shaft up to the rear end right there.
Well, I could take one in a Dave and you can measure.
On to the next. Now the dry shaft's out.
There should be a sweet spot somewhere in here. I gotta get that to you. God damn.
I was trying to get the rear end off the case. Did it move?
I can't tell. I think it might have.
I put your plate back on your car for you.
All right.
I didn't put it on the dealer.
Ow.
I'll put it on the dealer later for you.
She's moving. Hold on.
'Cause I know you're gonna be.
Well, guys, we got it loose. We got the fluid coming out of it.
All right.
Trying to drain the oil out, so to take 2 hands to pull it out. Took all the bolts off all the way around. As you can see, it's coming out, so I'm gonna have to help him, and then I'll take video when it's out and explain everything to y'all. Alright, so we finally got it out. It's a 9-inch rear end. It's gonna be a 2-part video. And obviously when we took those out, we know it wasn't a sledgehammer, but I didn't have a slide hammer to pull them out, so we did it that way. But this is a 9-inch rear end. They're sending it out. We're gonna do a POSI with 370 gears in it. So, but like I said, it'll be a 2-part video. We put it back in. I'll take another video, and that's the car it come out of, the 68. Because everything else was done. The motor, you guys follow my YouTube. The tranny's been done. So now it's time for the rear end. So, big Ford guy saying, see you on my next video.